Hey guys, welcome back to Gadgets Daily. In this video we see all about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so don't skip the video and watch till last. Guys, Samsung has officially revealed the biggest Galaxy S24 series feature that you might have missed. And no, we're not talking about the display or the camera or the performance or the battery. This is Samsung going beyond imagination. Yes, they have officially announced the new era of Galaxy I. This will truly transform the way you interact with your phone in the most smartest ways. So what is Galaxy I? Well, this is Samsung's I that they have been working on for quite some time. And according to Samsung, it is officially debuting on the early 2024 devices. Of course, that is a clear sign towards the S24 series being the very first Samsung phones to have this capability. With Galaxy I, we are going to have endless features and benefits, one of which Samsung officially revealed in its Call as I Live Translate call. This is actually insane. Imagine you are speaking to someone and that person is talking in Chinese. Their language will get translated in real time in audio as well as in text form. No need for any third-party application. This is all happening in real time thanks to Galaxy I. In addition to better communication, Galaxy I promises to make you more productive and also enhance your creativity. Although Samsung didn't further reveal the functions of Galaxy I, they did unveil the Samsung Galaxy I model on which the Galaxy I is based. So we are pretty much confirmed to get a ChatGPT-like I implementation where you can ask the I anything, any question, and you'll get your answer. On top of this, Samsung went above and beyond to bring the image generation I ability to their Galaxy I tool. With any prompt, you can generate your image as well as use AI to edit your existing images. And finally, for those who are into development and coding, Galaxy I will also help you write codes for various languages. Samsung also officially confirmed that the Galaxy I is open to collaboration with other industry leaders. For example, Google and Microsoft, so we could see Google's Bard AI as well as Microsoft AI tool being implemented on the Galaxy S24 series. This is by far the most important and exciting upgrade for the S24 lineup, making the S24 series perhaps the smartest and the most powerful phones on the market. Also in the news, soon was posted the updated render look of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And you can see it actually looks pretty good. Samsung is ending the Edge display for a more functional flat display while having incredible record-breaking bezel ratio. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for